This is Umar Farkan Rahat, and I'm your examiner today. Could I know your full name, please?
My full name is MD Tufatul Hussain Babu, but my parents and friends call me Tufajol. So you may call me Tufajol. It's easy to say.
Tufajil, where are you from?
I'm from Jamalpur. Jamalpur is famous for its traditional Nakshi Katha and Milli Pitalibat, and moreover, beautiful handicrafts.
So, could I know about your future plan actually?
I want to be a professional freelancer. It's my future plan.
So, how many family members do you have?
I have 7 members in my family, like my parents, my 2 younger sisters, and 2 younger brothers.
What does your father do?
My father is a businessman. He sells Ilsha fish and he works at Dhaka Uttara.
And what does your mother do?
My mother is a homemaker. She takes care of us and she cooks delicious food every day.
So, do you have any best friend?
Yeah, I have best friend. His name is Abu Said and he is very kind person.
Right now, you can speak with very confident, but when you came to Rahas English here, could I know actually that the condition of your speaking?
Before coming here, I couldn't make a single sentence because I couldn't know any structure